What's up, guys? This is Jessica. I'm a represent for Public Report, the Big Bag movie, Forgive Me, Part 2. Someone want to know, go over there, go like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, me have my little thing going over here on my channel. Lights, camera, Blair. Want to know, go over there, go like, share, and subscribe because me I do vlogs, me I do story times. Yeah, but I don't know, sometime probably in the future, I can do like a movie, but for now, me I do travel vlogs. And every little thing I want in my daily life when you can see. So please remember, lights, camera, Blair, and Public Report. Subscribe, please and thanks. I'm out.
The subscribe is free. The subscribe yet.
Forgive me, I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me, I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Forgive me, I may have had a few drinks that goes through my head. Forgive me, you know those little things can leave a man insane. I declare my innocence, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Oh, feeling so hurt. Don't blame it on my guitar, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Sometimes I believe that I can fly, but in the silly dream I'm reaching for the sky. Yeah. Dreams are never what it seems to be. Heed my humble plea as I go down on bended knee.
Yo, big man. Wagwan, big man. You don't know me, and me don't know you, you know. But I get a look at low profile, see I go on that bag of thing I want party the other night, you know.
Me?
Yes, man, you. Or what? You don't understand?
No, man, so what I'm saying?
I mean, yes, after a party, you and my woman left out of the party, you know.
Your woman, we are talking about your woman.
You know my woman Pinky.
God have mercy. Brother, hear me say. Me not the concern thing. Me and Pinky.
Alright, I don't understand what me talk about. Or what? English me I speak, you don't understand English or Spanish, or what?
Brother, hear me say the man, right now I'm the concern vibes. Me don't know why I'm going with your Pinky, boss. So deal with what you deal with, I'm Pinky. Right now I'm the party for them. So they'll bring shop it up and that's how I deal with.
So you know something like when Rasta you go to one smart on the inside car, but I tell you the truth, you know.
What am I talking trust, brother? Yo, right now I'm the concern vibes. I don't know what I'm sure.
So make sure say no say go, you know.
Brother.
Anything black people are talking, if they nearly go say, you know.
So what am I talking about, sir? What am I talking about?
Yes, I'm talking party over here, my woman left out. Someone no work on an argument here, my woman are working on dating free, and my woman are free, you know. That's right there, you know. I'm not going to see her, you know.
Brother, so if I'm my woman,
if I hear a woman,
say why she ever live with me?
Because
that makes sense?
Because when you go to party, you love man, woman and hold on pan when you drink with all dirty rum. Eh? And overproof rum. I'm holding on one man.
What me say hold on one? Brother, if you hold on one and go on, we are dealing with.
Yo, man, I come give me heart attack, you know, Rasta boy. Hear me I tell you.
I
can't believe that can save you. I want you.
Yo, alright.
Yo, me I left you alone.
Yo,
you see smooth on the road, you walk far from him.
What me say, brother, you look over me, I have a mate of beef bar.
I
don't know where you are. You don't know me?
Me don't want to know you.
You don't know me? You don't know me?
You know me?
Alright, everything good.
Remember
say, are you started? Yes, sir.
See, anything me start, me can finish it. Hear me I tell you.
Alright,
Yeah, me I tell you no Rasta.
Damn, everything good, man. Me take up my hat.
Yo, I mean, I want to go around again and hear say, I'm going to left out the party again. It's not normal between me and you, you know, sir.
Alright, Mr. Man. So what the I name? What the I name? Since you're a bad man, tell me your name now.
Listen to me, I say.
Yeah, what
Me
the
don't
I
need to know
name?
your name and you don't know if you need my name. Lock chat. A badness on the street, you know, I want to you.
Alright, Mr. Man. Great talkers are always little doers. What fun? So boy, you come like you understand, say, and give me a reason of to take up my stress on somebody. Look. My master for me because I'm telling you living through me there. The body block the road so easy myself, you know. Nah, trouble nobody, you know. And when I look at you, I'll take you and say, right, take.
Hold on. What kind of situation you want?
You still do your thing?
Do what kind of thing?
Like, you know.
Like
Like pie and rate.
What channel, man?
Of people and sitting there. You know what I'm
No, brother, no, man. Like you tell me to go back on my bike and go on my yard. And that you tell me to do it now. Brother, change my life and now. Me not deal with them the thing there again. Me a ease myself. Calm see. Them the thing that we send to go a graveyard. Or in a jailhouse. I mean been in a jailhouse and I don't want to go a graveyard so me a ease myself. So who trouble you?
Why is that way? I feel like I have to tell you because you tell me say now because right now I know you want no business. Where you are going, me a virgin still, you can show your vibes.
No, what's it now? A father God fight with back with them and all. Let me hear what you ask. What about?
I want to look at you, man, and tell me say, me and the woman really. But me and the woman really and truly, you know, she when I push up on certain things and me kind of tell the woman say, ease up and stuff. But, you know, long and short of it, me and she not in a certain things no more.
Well,
so when we there now.
I love people, woman still. Me I hear. Sorry about that, man. Me I hear.
Why rough? It's me I talk about, brother.
No, I changed my life, you know.
Glad you're going to church, you're going to
I changed my life, you know. I don't really have people business, and people business are forward to me.
So what you tell me, sir? You can't deal with the case with me.
Where the man do to you? That more I find out. When do to you?
Brother, I'm going to tell you, say, man, I treat me like man say rope straps, and I say to myself, say, alright, you know, me have tough strap now, because I say, me have uno as my back it. You understand me? I say, so now, when you talk this thing, and I say, what me I going to do now? So in suppose me see him in the street, you know what I mean, or what? Me have to do him something, brother.
Watch you, man. You know what you need to do?
What?
Get this off of your mind. Don't pray no violence. Pray church. Don't pray no gun. You need to go and run bar and drink some rum and enjoy yourself and figure out all of this. You know what another thing you need to do? Try to fix back your relationship with your woman and allow this thing. Because if you say the man a try to check me and the man not do nothing. You avoid him, love him, feel him time so forward.
Brother, I can't believe sir, I pop in on this.
Yo.
Church, you got to know. Alright. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. You have to give your life to God, man. You must be a father God of the right man, you know, man.
Alright, my bad. You proud of you still? You know what I'm saying?
I'm proud of you too.
All
So
right.
I tell us if you just take that off of your mind, you would have to stop praying people and just do the right thing.
Alright, bad. Respect our manners. Yes, sir.
I think that's something different to that.
No, man, and that, I don't know, sir. I'm so used to road. And a good guy, I'm going to see it. So I never know that certain things change. But pick up yourself still. You understand me? I said, God, I'm on the road.
Alright,
We
man.
talk about that. I will not talk.
Yeah, man. Fix a relationship.
Hôm nay bố con mới right time.
What do you do, sir?
Hôm nay bố con mới right time mau nhà con.
Me I go for never go to start some
What do I?
business. Eh?
Có đùa.
What do you mean? I go
Saya
to
saya move for. Không bắt cái xong.
I don't understand where you come up from. I don't tell you what I'm going already.
What do you mean by?
Right now is not a good time. I tell
It's
you.
a good time for me, guys.
So
But
who
I
tell his
don't
family?
right now.
Who tell his family at the
No
first
worry
place?
about that. Me I'll check upon you and you don't know that.
So,
That's
so,
kind of care, you don't know that. Send where you go, me can find him.
so what you really up to now? That me ask you. Cause me
Come take back what's mine.
me say no, it's not a good time.
And I said, no, it's the good time.
You know
So
how much,
any plan you have to do right now, it can go wait.
you know how much things you make happen to me right now?
I don't mind for that.
No, but you don't know how you stay already.
I'm glad you know.
So what gonna happen now?
What do you mean by? Yeah,
Remember say first we just start to me for a joke and not serious, you know. So how you come in now and me not understand how really that going?
This is something really I want? This is something I want?
That me see it's like you want something to go on right now. Listen man, just alright. Give me some time as me tell you before.
Look how much time I give you.
What you mean so much time you give me?
I give you time, I give you months, I give you weeks, I give you...
Months and weeks. Yo, stop exaggerate now to an
Yeah,
extreme wanna make no sense. Listen
Me.
me, man. Yeah. Alright. Give me some I have to come check it back. You answer me, I say, just give me some time to check it back. Simple as that.
Wait,
You mean
your man live here?
that I want
Oi! Oh man!
No. Nobody no there with me now.
Me not
Listen, nobody no there with me. One tear, just relax the man.
So me have one... Oh man, come out my house!
Me say nobody no there because the circumstances when you cause she move out. That me I tell you, just ease them. Alright, just give me some time to talk to you. You see, if you really want certain things to work with me no man.
Lady!
Jesus Christ.
Oh, they laugh with you.
I mean, say if you like with you, just come out, me like the place, come here, go up on the road. Alright, come on, we'll talk if that's the case.
Alright, come, I like that.
But-
Where you go?
Alright, go on, me soon come. Go on.
No, go on no.
Go on, me
I
soon.
say go on. Me and you walk out this so.
Me not depend that right now. Me tell you already, me don't want nobody see me and you walk certain way and feel like a pinky.
Alright,
Listen,
me and you walk side to side, we not for all and.
You know
You
what-
walk over the side, me walk out and so.
Why that makes sense? That make no sense.
It makes sense.
To who?
Me. It don't make sense to people, it makes sense to me.
Me go piss. Go on. Stand for that gate.
So you can't be so there so?
Go on, out that gate, me go piss and come. Go on.
Alright, my God, come
Yeah.
make sense so.
Me soon come here.
Alright. No man, this a man and done piss set away my piss so time so. I wonder if I want thank you out.
So for me, I walk come to this, my mouth, the ear mouth, and I say, I must be exit I go and say, you know, one time, you know, I go on, you alright?
I'm good man.
Don't like you stress out, so it's really a fall.
Yeah, make it fun, you want a little blessings.
Blessings, like you need more blessings more than me, you know.
No, you want a little blessings, I don't need.
You know what I'm saying? I want to have me a pass of me here over here, then. I said, probably jump the fence and come over there. But
Jump over fence.
not fear fence.
You know something funny?
But you me know me end up like a piece of line. I say, no, better me go on with me.
Hello, you can't see good?
Yeah,
You know see one man come the fence.
That's a simple thing, man. You probably still look nice, you know. I realize
Listen to me. Listen to me. But you say me, you know, me in our relationship right now, I may not take you back.
So yeah, I say. So I try to say, remember so when time you up, you know.
My son, you upbeat it up
Mama
there,
say
but
no.
no, you're down. You're
But
down
remember so
now.
we can flip the script, man. Enough money we spend per year now. What
Yes,
money
you
we
want to
spend?
down. Yes, you want to down. You go straight.
See, remember everything I'm usually buy on them sitting there.
What?
Eh?
What?
All the pool we have up there in your house. Now, I say my money spent on the pool there, you know. You know how much money for one pool?
Why?
So, you can get back a contact and something.
No. You know, hear me say.
You know if you move so
Listen to
strong,
me.
lady. I saw no go on one time, man, not go on for
Yes,
money, no.
fall it down.
At any time things go on for money, no, you start running back on money, no. You know, that not like it.
Listen, first of all, I'm not going to back with you because that's why you get too aggressive and them things that make change my mind from you.
Hey,
Me
listen,
not
me, I
like
say.
when man...
Listen, me, I say no. You know why me as I get aggressive because
Back up, man.
you know if you are using so.
Back up. Yeah, there's so. Yeah, stand up right this one. Me stand up there. This time. Yeah, I said no.
Because you know why me as I get aggressive point because you always tell me say me I do things that me know me not do it. And you know say you didn't with me one time, really love her, you know. You
Me
give
one
rather
time,
than die.
but there's no
You still
more over
can't, you
here.
still can't, man. You see, it never too late for you sure in a fast, it a fall now.
It can fall for you because you want little blessings.
Yeah, go on,
People
so.
say, see you about that so.
You know what? If
It's
you know I have a
Jesus.
problem, I go left you know.
One.
But if I can't see you,
No, hurry up. Book many people they come out.
boy, I tell you.
Boy, me I
So
tell
now
you,
have
you
a
don't move
good,
it.
yes, when I have a good man in your hand and then really gone about them business. Me I tell you, you know, because you just wash, cook and clean for me, no girl. You're a clean girl now, you know, not see, you know, you're clean.
But no more me clean. You
Look
never
at, look
tell
at,
me.
look at her white shirt. Are you washing, you know? But you wash him not even wear back, you know? I'm saying in my time there, you know, me have thick and thin. Me never like abuse, I never box and kick you and stuff.
Eh, listen to me. Back then was different than now. You don't say I go sleep though.
What go on here so now? What go on?
Let me say one
Eh?
man. Brother,
You
yo.
don't understand.
Talk, you already know.
Talk to me.
Let me,
The same thing me that talk to you about where I come from.
brother, me
Eh?
yeah, me there, bro. Yo, we are.
We're back in the streets, man.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Right, thank you. Yeah, I'm here. Carrying me, I give me some little tablets, you know.
What kind of doctor you got, man?
Yeah, man, me work in a place. I think life easy, you know. Yeah, man, me there deal with some business on the road. But me get everything sorted out now. Because I never really understand what me I deal with, but
A code man.
Yeah,
Street,
yeah.
you know.
so I go on with.
Some day I go on supermarket me I go.
Oh,
But your sister knows say you come back in a place too.
no, sir.
Eh,
None of them don't know so I come back. But you see, if you see none of them before me, I'm going to tell them, see, see.
no, so I don't do that.
Oh, you know, some of them, man.
I don't do that, but you know, say, me and Pinky are friends, you know, you're a good friend, so I always see her, I always talk to her, encourage her, you know. I'm sure I'm right with her, but when I see her, I need to talk to her, though.
Mm.
You man, need to talk to her.
Need to talk to her. But what now?
You know, say, so enough little things are going in the street about her still, but yeah, we find out when the time right.
Time, right.
Yeah, man, when the time right.
Well, me ever talk to my little sister, you know. Because you don't know if me baby that.
No.
You have to tell her, say, listen to me. You see certain type of road that you want to take and go work out. You understand? Because you know my thing already. You know a road they lead up to. Be a badness. So me have to tell her, say, listen to me, you know. You're not going to follow my footsteps. You understand? So me have to talk to her.
That's true.
But my Pinky good man. I'm going to reason with her.
Because your name is sick, you know. So, you feel good. I remember say, if I never you would get Pinky, you know.
True,
The
true.
name are right after you, you know.
True.
So, yeah, man, but
But
you
differently.
look good still.
Thanks.
You look good. You're like which part I agree with you. You can't look weird and all these things.
May I tell her, man? May I tell her, say, yo, you see anyone me there?
Yeah.
All over I do for my little crimes. Why I could have can. Yeah, me see. A lot of time I wonder if when me done, me still feel hungry. Me I say, no, sir.
That's all are you pregnant?
No, sir, pregnant. I need to make like a work. Make like a work for me, I do, you know. No, belly can't come. Belly can't come, I know, man.
That's true, that's true.
I'm money
back
myself.
now, I'm back now.
No, with me. But anyways, you know. Don't see me, I'm going to that place now.
Well, now go person will get something for cook and guess I'm not loading a date for good man.
You go on there,
A
alright.
long time we don't cook, so you buy
Yeah.
some cook. So
Yeah, dirty.
Morning, girl.
But what's stressful out now?
Let me see him something. Let me what's stressing me out.
What's something out now?
Remember the man, you know. I take out my things and tell me need some time myself.
I don't understand just because
You may not understand me.
start over our conversation. What you say about it now?
Remember, I find out that the man, I mean, if he there with her, I'm still on another logic yet. But it's like him a tell me say
So you find
him
out?
did a talk to her before he meet me. But he meet me and him fell in love with me. And him and I in a nothing and him tell her say I'm the only woman him want. But I can't believe him. I can't believe him.
Oh boy, Jessica. I mean, I can't believe you, man. Now your heartbeat, eh? Now your everything. No him not do this to you, no him not do that to you. So oh no, all of a sudden you don't believe nothing what him a say.
I say, see, you're going to tell people your business. You want to come dash on my face now.
Jesus God, you see, that's why you don't forget people are going to listen to them business. Because they tell them business. I know you say, but are you say it, you know? Are you say, you see, the truth hurt. I know my mouth come out of fear mouth.
Girl, many things that the man can be trusted, girl, because he not show me them sign there, no. Me don't know what is going on. Cause remember, me still not have concrete evidence. Say if him the girl involved or not, but the way I him get aggressive when me attack him, so that they make me after us.
That's true, you say a lie matter in this one. When you start get aggressive, a lie matter. True girl. So you say you move away to come back in your yard? Oh God. Sorry for you.
No, you're sorry for me. What do you think we should have really do?
I mean, you asked that?
Yeah.
Oh God. My advice them come to use now, Father God. Because they once was foolish and now them wise. Rough. Well, me feel like wait, before me tell her what you feel do. I'm gonna come up and consult. I'm not about to know your business and make them know say I fool, you know. So the money where you and the man they put in an account. You collect it already? Like what info?
Girl, that not really entice me right about no. When me want now, I just to get concrete evidence what's really going on with him and that girl. That's all the
Jessica,
evidence
you're
I
not talk
need.
sense to me right now.
Him.
Jessica, what you mean? That now cancer. You never used to put money in an account too.
Girl, all you can think about is money. Make my life in a shambles right now.
My Jesus.
Just imagine my heart broken and you talk about money. What money can fix my heart?
Which part of your heart broke?
What do you mean by which part of my
Your
heart
heart
broke?
they broke you and they bleed or something wrong with her in the hospital, but they said that you have a firm answer. Which part of your heart broke? And your feelings, woman, it's just the feelings.
You know, say wrong person we come to, and she had the only person we can talk to, but it's like,
Then I go to somebody else things and I want my advice, but
girl,
right now you're talking
if you ever know me I feel inside, you wouldn't think about money. My heart broken, no girl, me trust the man, you know. Me tell all the man, oh, me love the man and the man love me, no girl. You could have, me don't want to start crying.
I'm just
Can I go start money, me go start crying,
I feel
girl.
look better. Me help you about come.
Me come get me heart, cause you see,
But
liberty come through carelessness.
I'm telling my advice anyways. You see, since he tell us say, in got to girl and say, Mama, in our workout or whatever. Since he tell her all of that, I feel like if you go to a girl, find out it was situation, what go down with him and the man before you jump to conclusion. Because sometimes they can't tell the truth, you know. But because you know stubborn, you know and hear what they have to say. You understand? But in money now. What you say, you're not good on the fee money.
No, me don't want no money.
But you're not idiot. Where me don't want no money?
And but all you can think about money in a day of time, yeah. And what do you know?
Girl, remember I look at it last night. Say, I eat some curry fish. And then, you know, galley. After I done eat that, you know, the boy came here with ice cream place. And guess which flavor I'm going to choose? What name again? Yellow one. What name? Eggnog.
Aye.
Mr.
Why
Girl,
no way, madam?
I mean, choose a more feet, idiot. Mr.
Why
Girl,
no,
from the
exactly,
come
madam.
one piece of running belly, the part my friend last night. I just every minute, I just go about a minute so. So you don't talk?
No, I'm not done talk.
Talk fast.
One in your bathroom.
No, you have to go left because you saw me go on the road, you know, go deal with that little thing. I'm not nobody in my yard.
Live somewhere. That one thing my glad sent me live somewhere. So you don't have to tell me twice.
One of your man yard.
I don't worry about my man, yeah. I don't have no man. Right about
You just know say you not no man. I write it other day, your boss about my man not do me this, my man not do me that, and your man John account and this that. Look at you now. What a piece of man there. You a dirty friend. You
what
dirty
a friend.
worthless
You're glad to see your friend downfall for laugh.
No, I'm not glad to see you downfall. You see, me did I encourage you in the right way. And you never did I listen to me. You play a blind eye and a deaf ear to everything when me I say to you. You see, everything I play out like Bible verse.
So you are encouraging me to let my man a good something.
I never tell you to left your man. I never ever tell you that.
No, you
Me only tell you say do not join an account with a man. No, see that the man gone with all of your money. Oh, it's not gonna work out, my girl. You keep going with it. You're going like a rich and you're broke and paparazzi. Man, I drop on Milan. Because one is a piece of
Hello. Me.
Where are they?
No, listen, I just want to start with you. You can't talk to me. Just one second, I You see, just carry on, fam. I don't want to get sick. Please, just listen to me, fam. Yeah?
Well, I can spend my coach for a little time. Come. I'm going to choose something that's good to be
Alright, me know you don't really know me like that still, and I respect you. I know say you know me because you know me through circumstances, you know, and a small community. So me, it's not like I know secret for you, you know, say boy, me is public where, you know, we should deal with friends, or deal with friends still. See? But the whole situation what going on, you know, with me and Pinky, I mean, if you understand, say I'm Pinky a friend as well. Right? And basically, you know, it's a whole mix up on what. And me now in a situation now where, you know, me really want a relationship if work with me and Jessica. So me I say is that I mean first me I check if I run and she come. Cause she said she move out and so forth. So me don't know if you'll see her from there and you know if you don't see her. Me don't know, like I'm confused right now, but really and truly I come here to make you know say boy if you can talk to her for me and tell her say I'm sorry about certain circumstances.
Mr. Man, I'm not sorry. When we go down to Jessica,
you're a friend. So she
yes, me are friends. Me are a friend, right? Well, Jessica come here today. Yes. And she tell me everything what go down. But me ask her, what about the money? The money when you not put in her account. You not give her money.
Money is not the problem right now.
Money is not the problem.
You don't have a problem. So you ask for money, so what? She
no,
don't promise money?
No, you don't want no money from nobody. Me look like me hungry, me look like me look sorry for. Eh? Listen to me.
Please.
You see, if you want this for you and Jessica work out, I'll do have a small meeting with you, Jessica and Pinky. And show Jessica the respect where you have to.
You see, me not say that's not possible, or me not say, you know, that wouldn't be a good idea, but if you put them in one room, no, in one space,
I'll
no.
make you want to put them in one room.
No, me
this is your procedure, you know, so you want to put dirty man. Eh? If you say you have them on the roadside, there's you want to have two of them in one room.
I'm just saying it as a reference. I've said if them in a one space, I got bigger problem. That's all me I say.
You know if you control Pinky. And you say if you want this work, I can help you, but you have to go pay me.
You mean pay you?
You want to work or you don't want to work?
What kind of money you talking?
Man, $30
$30,000.
See, I'm gonna tell you something. You want the joint account with 2 women, two.
No.
So, since
I
you
wanted
want
to
account
do
with
that.
2 women, that means you can pay me the money because you have money for all of them. Then Pinky not tell me say you're rich.
Who rich? No.
You, Pinky tell me say you have money.
Not because we spend and buy something that means me have money. Me have money we can buy that at the time. It's not money to say boy me can flash and live like. So alright. So she come out this morning, so she won't tell you what you have now?
You know, she never have to pay me for everything.
Alright, you know what? I feel like this I go get from a level where we the way man. Alright, you know what? Thanks for your time.
She did buy it.
What you actually?
Yes. But you see what I think? Me don't like her do it. Me not tell her no lie no. She didn't really love you no. I respect you no. Me tell her my friend boss about you. She said fear man not do this, fear man not do that. I'm frightened for you say. You don't think what this nasty man break my friend heart. People like Uno deserve to get locked up. Uno love to depend God land.
Alright, thank you very much. Yes, sir. So
Wait. So what you say? You pay me?
yeah, me buy you a drink. Yeah?
Give me the money for
But
you.
I never really walk with the money. Just to see.
You know, so you're general.
I know
I
what
said
a
about
general.
crown and general, all of the woman.
I know Ginal.
That's why my friend fall for you. Because uno man, uno have too much sweet more.
I true.
That's why they feel nyam uno out and go about their business.
Alright.
But as the true they love falling in love, things always happen to them. Come on, left me now. Wait! Left me out. Left me out.
Yes, I want to know.
Go on. Just.
Dave!
How that? What? No, no, alright. No, okay, for go over Pinky man. You want?
One night last night, we did a dream and the dream them just as a Pinky and the brain, Pinky and the brain.
Your side piece of auntie.
Can you hear me?
No.
Yeah, forgive me for everything what happened.
It's okay.
But me tell you the truth, it's not like me come to the line.
You don't know that.
So you say know that. I wish part of you know that. For me, you know me genuine. You know me coming out of a bad mood. So I don't know when me tell the truth.
And so many things I know when know say Jenny about yes, let me find out say. It's not what
fine out. But even if it's the final, I mean tell you everything. It's not like a final.
I mean final.
When you find
Tell
out.
me never come track your pan and use my head pan you. You all the time not you that constantly lie to me.
At some point, we have to come clean and tell everything. So stop one like that. Me's not a person where you will fall in love.
I'm not falling off. Me tell you, they say they love something, you know. It broke my heart in a million pieces. I'm not intent for go back this again. Because number one, no, me want to see that Pinky girl, you know. Because I want to clarify the truth, you know.
So make you want to see her. Seeing her now, go clarify nothing.
What do you mean not clarify now?
Seeing her only going to make things worse.
You're not going to make, if you tell me the truth, it's going to make things worse.
Because the kind of person that Pinky is. You see, she and her sister, because you have big Pinky, you have little Pinky. So if you understand, say, the two of them may make a mistake.
So you with the two of them?
No, I know the two of them. You understand me? I say? Just give me, just understand. See, how you sweat, so where you come from?
Where me come from? Where I come from?
No, you can't. So you are from this and you sweat in a fan and AC in the house?
No. Look at that rain now, come take my, I'm not rain enough to catch me, so I go here.
I come in the tour again.
I don't want you come away, I don't want you come here, you know. Oh, no, but I feel like say I got trip me and come back in my house again and me come back down and feel yard. What you have to say it and go on.
Jaja. I wanna come back in our place. Come here, I say never did really there. You know where we want to come back in our place, man. You know what's in a real life though. So my time I have to just stay low. Cause there's so enough people that just want to know how you flex, know how you roll, know everything about you. And they even understand what go on in a people life right now. You understand? So the government.
Well, you see your sister since you come?
Oh, little Pinky.
She see one.
What do I what go on with her?
Cause me here, your name has spread, you know. Your name has spread all over the community.
What my little sister name I spread over our community, you know?
Say my take. Me not even know who for money my take, but me here say my take somebody man. And somebody must go pay gym. So they after her. After her.
Somebody page my sister. What you mean somebody page him? What you mean somebody page her? Like a man or woman?
I don't know if a man or a woman or both of them, you know. But me hear say somebody go her house and look for her. But she never did it at the time. So they don't get to see her. So hold for pasa.
Alright. Like what you say, you don't know who check my sister. Which one of them man name she did take?
The man name, what name again? Yes, Public. Yeah, they meet at one party and they must have a good time that night and then from this so they must start link.
Who you say? Public?
You don't know what tall Rasta man?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that
Public. Me know him.
That's it, man.
Know him. So you say them okay. But you don't know who check her.
Awesome.
But you know who for man she a take. Right. Okay. Alright then. Now come go you know.
Yeah, me just did one get 100. Yeah. Alright, we will link. We will link. Yes, what we do. Link? Yeah, we link.
No, sir, mama, we not link. We can't go link. If me do want to link, we realize that look more tomorrow, if not go bother go so. Cause we want to clear this thing right now, this situation. You understand?
Alright.
When it comes to my sister, me have to deal with this thing. I'm not too laugh with boy and girl, you know. Oh.
Alright, we shall get.
Why Pinky, I never answer for money. Yo, Rico. Hey there, pan. Me there, man. You know, say, I have a little situation and want to help me out with though. Yeah, man. You know, I'm bridging your name Public. Eh. What you know about him? Why you tell me everything what you know about him? Because here I know. Me have one thing to deal with. Me and him, yeah, man. Alright. Now say a word. Yeah.
Thanks, Rico, for make it do. In real life, I mean, there's sense to me and bold, you know.
Oh, you don't live with?
Yeah. Everything like it there.
Thing there, man. Alright, now see your word, yeah?
So I move so fast and I plan to you know buy a thing for me and say, I go too fast now.
Ami a tattoo? Ami a tattoo?
Then I want to do it.
How you say you want to buy 2 drink for me? Like bad girl. You like bad girl?
God.
What you know? Well, you depend, me not really depend right now, you know. You understand? Yeah, so just, I have to just go on and whole cart, the quarters over there, so.
Nah man, Curry man, just pick up yourself.
Yo, public! Public!
What that? Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Really and truly, me come to ask you some questions.
Me. So what are you, man? Master, you come here and ask me question. You work for JPS? What? NWC? What?
Who is you to Pinky?
Ah, Jesus.
Eh?
What do you mean who is me to Pinky? I don't understand.
You want me break it down for you? Why you and Pinky in?
Me. I'm Pinky. You know, nothing. See? Me don't understand why you come question me certain things. Like, I don't understand. Who you be is a question me ask you and you know answer me that. You come on my place, you know. So when you come, hold on. When you come on my place, now you expect me to just dish out conversation to you, like, you know, give you information about certain things. How that possible?
Alright.
How that work out?
You want to know who me be to Pinky? Me a Pinky's sister.
You Pinky's sister? Pinky, you tell me she's a sister.
Yeah, she a little Pinky and me a big Pinky.
Oh, see a Pinky too?
Yes.
What is that? Jesus. Alright, good to know. So what
So,
now?
you want to go and you say you and Pinky no in a nothing. And what me I get to understand in the streets is that somebody towards you threaten my little sister.
Towards me? Or from... Yo, get your argument straight, miss. I don't understand... Well, Pinky, I don't really understand the reason you're there, so...
Public. Somebody towards you threaten my little sister.
Alright, listen. Me don't know where you get your information from, but it is not from a good source. So you need to go back to your source and get your proper information. See? And deal with what you deal with your little sister named Pinky.
Yo,
see?
I'm going to ask you again, you know. Because you see me now, me not really comfy in I talking, you know. Up your son so right, you know. Why you look public good, you know. Up your son so right, so I'm going to ask you again, where you want Pinky in a?
Alright. I hope so you can understand and hear me clearly. The Pinky we are talking about, I'm in a nothing. And when me and she in nothing, me don't know if your ears are work. You need to lift up the ear so you can actually hear me and say, me I say not in a nothing. You get that? I don't know if you understand me I say. Oh yeah, take off back. Oh yeah, I go school. Yeah, waste my time.
I wonder if I understand, say.
You understand me?
Me can do something right now.
Do me? You?
I wonder if I understand, say, me can do something right now.
Miss? Oh yeah, yo, something really wrong with your brain. Cause there's, you
Cause it look like, say, your mother and me. Hold on there. Your mother and me. I'm going to ask you a question again. Where you are little Pinky in a?
Just easy. Take a finger off my cheek.
Yo!
Just take a finger off my trigger now.
Yo, stop from go like I idiot. Me ask you one question.
You point a gun at me, now must idiot me turn. What you talk about?
Idiot, shut up and just talk. Talk!
Pinky and me, we just I just my friend. My friend. And that's it. I understand. I have done nothing to Pinky. I understand what you come here so. It's just easy, man. I don't know
Yo,
the foolishness.
me say who check me? My little sister.
Me don't know about that part there. I swear to you. Me don't know about that part there.
You know about the party?
Alright.
You wanna do a little thing. So. Okay. So me a idiot, cause are you all of this a come from, you know? Are you all of this a come from? So where your woman name?
Me woman name? Me not have a woman right now.
Boy, come like say a fool that take me for. Where your woman name?
Pinky was me woman. No. Me not have a woman right now. Just understand what me I say now?
Hey boy, no say a idiot.
What me say me?
Yeah, big sister. No, yeah, I'm so. I think I'm glad to see me.
No man, you got to say about
But
what if things are going right now.
Look stressed out. What you do now?
Me look stressed out.
Mm-hmm.
Why you in public, you know?
Me and probably that a dirty dog, that a user, that a junk out, everything in a one.
What you mean by?
I'm a one user. You know, after the boy promised me everything, you know, sister, the boy got somebody.
No, so you and him the like. You and him like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I want one time thing or more than once.
I think I want one time thing, you know.
One time thing.
Yeah, me not take him serious one night time. Me not take him serious one night time, you know.
So
And then he come to me and tell me say, he find somebody was serious and I go invest money. Two of them I go invest money and thing in it. After me there I say alright, I go say I can try without one. Because you know me a person that do money. You see me? I say you know, but me shock.
So one more ask you do. Who me here say check you? Like check you.
I'm not telling you. I like get that from.
But not check me. Cause me check you boy public, you know. Me check him man. Give him a page.
Oh Jesus, so what you do now? You kill him?
No, I'm not kill him, just
You
shot
stab
him.
him? Jesus Christ.
I'm not kill him, I just shot him.
What must be you? You do what?
I shot him. Go over there and shot him cause me ask him something. And he come like say, he might grow and come around me. I mean, I like people grow and come around me. I know that too already.
You
So
not
I
shot him to kill him?
Well, if he want dead, he dead, you know. That I feel business if he want
Big
dead.
sister.
Or if he want live, you know.
Big sister.
Hmm?
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Stop calling Lord name in fear because I do what I have to do already. Remember, you know, you're my little sister and I have to protect you, you know, at all costs. Listen, I have to protect you at all costs. I mean, I hear on the street say people are checking you. No, you can't tell me who are checking you.
Sister, nobody not check me.
Nobody not checking you.
Nobody not check me.
So what about him woman? Him woman,
When they done tell him say if he cancel everything with the woman and say man come back to me. You should not do that, sister. And me not gonna let the boy. Me not gonna let the boy.
cover this. You tell the man say if he cancel everything with him woman.
Yeah, come on, I go mash up my phone and I face and then tell me I look for tick for the king down. He say man will talk to her about it and get back to me.
So you say the man a user. And the man is dirty dog and the man is this and that. I know you tell me say you tell the man to cancel woman. If you please you just tell me say the man a dirty dog.
But sister, you have no right to go shoot the man. prison.
You see me I know orange suit.
But me where you go to prison, sister? Me know where you go to prison, you know?
Listen, Pinky, stop for exaggerate yourself, so. Stop for jolly and crawl for me like there's something, you know.
So you wanna look at yourself, you know?
And that human mind a business. When me shot you in your face.
Sister, Tapu.
Listen now, listen. You just want to know say you're good. Once I say you're good, me good. So you want to go and me I come go, you know. Understand? You hear me say, come,
Alright.
sister out.
Love your sister.
Love her more.
Alright, later. Vice meal.
Go on.
Vice meal. Right, I'm covered. Right, a girl. I'm not going to come and get public. You know what? Yeah, me just a know. Me just a fight girl, but shock me and it hurt me. So can you tell me, brother? Can you tell me? I mean, I have friend me reason about everything. So you never can tell me. That not say? I mean, I'm going to come and get public phone. I don't make that at me. I'm stressed out. What am I going to do? And get shot. Yeah. Jesus Christ, of Nazareth.
Alright, girl. Where are you? Alright, later.
What's up? God of mercy.
Call you.
Traffic up on the road.
You not hear what I'm for public?
Come to public.
You don't know so that shoot up public up on me,
What? When?
yesterday.
Who do that?
Oh, me if you know, me feel like I the same pinky girl now. Cause me dey feel like say, you know, I jealousy and so. But you look at the relationship, it's deeper than what you tell me.
Yeah.
To me, I say, look how it look to you.
That don't look good. That not safe. So I should have sent somebody for him?
You look so. What you think me should have done now?
This is a situation every day. Is that true?
Alright, girl, don't worry a second. Me decide, after me I come from now, I'm going to decide to over the police station, I got to go report it. And I can't. What's me did at the yard?
Over?
We mean over the police station.
Your mother? You did the crime scene? So oh yeah, got police station. If you got police station right now, you know, that means say this all go deeper and you go get yourself involved in that things where you're not, me know to God you don't want to put yourself right.
Oh, me will get involved in the things that me don't know about. Them shoot my man. If me did that, they would have shoot me too. And you expect to look here now, you know, me go over the station or lay a report and they make a pop one come back and leave.
So all you go get statement and you never dare police. You never dare shoot out. You know who do it?
Me don't know who do it, but I'm going to go tell them what I know and what I think
you go start
causes.
one bigger problem in the neighborhood now. When you got police station, police, it don't make no sense to go to the police right now because them not going to do one thing like that.
Me say, don't.
You ever hear this say, who that keep at his mouth, keep at his life?
Oh, me see you depend you know.
Yeah.
So your friend side you pick.
Me not
Because
pick
three
my
and the girl
friend
are friend you know.
No, me
You
not
go
pick
tell
my
me.
friend side, but me tell us say, it best if you just leave the situation where they're right now. Remember, you know, say your public live by the way. So why problem?
Look here, now come tell me about me and him. Come about me and him. If I go look a problem, that means so we left. Alright, no. Alright. So
Sorry.
me
So,
not for gonna report it now.
I
And
said
me
procedure.
no right about now to all me feel me feel like me not safe now, me feel afraid now. So me feel like for just properly me come off now, me go pop my bag and go you go hear say me
The
set
girl
it
don't
up.
know you.
The girl don't know me,
So
she
you-
not have to know me. Me want to know she.
Oh, you want to know
Yeah,
she?
me want to know her.
I don't know that we can't go work out enough because we not be one to show you who that be. You understand? But all me I tell us say, leave the situation and one way there right now. Public must know why somebody come film, come shot him. You sure say that the same situation there over man and woman? You sure say no thief in the thief or something?
Me know a long time you know like my man. A long time you know like it. You ever hear some walk a thief or see my walk a thief?
You know nothing about it.
Me
You
know
just move
in
in
my
a house with it
okay.
1 week. You raise a meter in your workplace. You don't know everything about him. Man. You cannot swear for him. Remember, say I saw you did not swear for the man the first time. You know what happened. Eh?
Me can't swear for him say. Me can't swear for him say me mix up in no thief in or nothing like that. Me not ask him to tell
You
it.
love swear.
It's alright. No worry yourself cause me go you not have to show me her now, but somebody else will show me her. And as what me say, me will put it in the law hands. Me not go take your foolish advice
Do what
and
you
then
do,
when
but
it
you see-
it'll
yeah.
come back around for me. It's alright.
You see any stress reach you? You see this phone here? Block and delete my number. Because me not up and down with nobody at police station, courthouse, whatsoever. You understand me? So if I like you, take your time and one.
A long time I know say you're
Well,
not
what
good
me
friend.
do come out in
You
life,
long time I know say you're not good friend. And me just want to call you to get your advice and see there
I give you
nothing
advice.
good. It's
I
alright.
give you
Take
advice.
care of yourself,
You never
girl.
take
Take
my
care of
advice.
yourself.
You see it? On always say my advice, the my foolish advice. And by any idea, and me said don't no come back to.
I want to go see you go. Leave a place here. Right on, boss.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey. Public Jack say he ain't going back, no. So that struggling place, Lord. Mark my words, I ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right, my paradise. My paradise, my paradise. Hey, me say you now find public, I live above the knee. Spliffing out the left and on the beering at the right. Not just a wine, no she a bubble for me right. Cause she know the kids them alright.